Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the best music distributor. So if you have been looking for the best music distributor to put out your music on streaming platform, then this video is for you, because in this video we are going to be comparing three best music distribution platform, which is Distrokid, TuneCore, and Vibmel, to see which music distribution platform is best for you. So this video is going to be a step-by-step process where I will be walking you through the pros and cons and everything you need to know about each platform. So without wasting much of your time right here, let's dive into it. Basically, you see right here, I'm on the official website of Distrokid, and also all the websites I'm going to be mentioning in this video, their links are going to be down in the video description. So you can see right here, on Distrokid, basically you could get started with their basic plan for $25 a year, which I would say it's not bad. But one thing you need to know about the musician plan on Distrokid is that you are kind of limited to some things. So you won't be able to do some things like, one, you won't be able to pick your own release date, customize your release date. You won't be able to like put in your own label name, and a couple of things you won't be able to do on their musician plan unless you upgrade to their musician plus plan. And their musician plus plan is going to cost you about $44. So basically on this plan you'll be able to do a couple of things, while on TuneCore basically they could get started for their rising plan for $25 also, which I'll say it's also similar to Distrokid. So one thing you need to know about their rising plan on TuneCore is that they also have similar stuff compared to Distrokid, because on TuneCore basic plan, if you subscribe to their basic plan, let's just say you want to shift your music, or you want to shift your catalog from other music distribution company to TuneCore, you won't be able to do that unless you upgrade to their professional plan, and their professional plan is about $55 a year. So you're kind of limited to a couple of stuff on their rising plan. You won't be able to customize your release date, put in your what's it called, your label name, and a couple of things you won't be able to do on that plan. So in order for you to be able to get more features, while distributing, they're going to ask you to upgrade to their professional plan. While on Vibmel, basically, if you actually go through the pricing, you could literally get started for their rising plan for $23, which I would say it's quite affordable and cheaper than both Distrokid and TuneCore basically. And one thing I love about Vibmel is that Vibmel is going to give you the access to distribute both your audio and video on all streaming platforms. So on Vibmel, basically you'll be able to release unlimited music to Vivo, Apple Music, and Tidal. So basically not like Distrokid or TuneCore, whereby you can only distribute your audio file to Spotify and other streaming platform. But on Vibmel, basically they are going to give you the ability to distribute both audio and video distribution for just one flat fee of $23 a year, because this is something most distribute, like, you're not going to get this kind of offer elsewhere basically, because Vibmel is one of the best distributor, one of the kind distributor that kind of give you this features right here on each of their plans basically. So what you need to do right here is to just pay a flat fee of $23 a year. You'll be able to keep 100% of your royalty, and also you'll be able to distribute both audio and video distribution, because right now if you're going to be distributing video on Vivo or Tidal, basically on Distrokid, it's going to cost you about $100 a year. You can see right here that in order for you to distribute your song, you need to pay about $100 a year annually for you to distribute your song to Vivo, Tidal, Boomplay, and all of that. But with Vibmel, basically everything is included on their plan. You can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. Keep 100% of your royalty, and also they're going to be distributing your music to 250 stores, which I'll say they have more stores than TuneCore and Distrokid. And you're also going to get access to 247 customer support. And one thing about Vibmel is that they offer WhatsApp support, which means you'll be able to reach them directly on WhatsApp. So not like Distrokid, whereby you have to wait for a couple of days before they even answer to your email or whatever. But on Vibmel, you can literally text them on WhatsApp, and basically they are going to reply. And by the way guys, if you know you're finding any value from this video to the point, please do well to give the video a like, and so don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop out some videos like this, you're going to be the first person to be notified basically. And also I've created a video on how you could distribute your music on Vibmel. I'm also going to be leaving the link at the end of the video, and also you can also check down the description box. And also, like I said, if you know you found any value from the video, do well to hit the video, give the video a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about walking artists through music distribution, how to promote your music, and everything you need to know about the music business generally. If you know it is something you're interested in, do well to give the video a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And one thing I love about Vibmel is that Vibmel has different pricing options. They have their professional plan for artists that want to distribute for multiple artists. So on their professional plan, you could distribute for 3+ artists. And you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. So you can always go through their website to check out their pricing. And also they also have what's it called, the one-time fee payment, which is the taken off plan, whereby you get to pay a one-time fee of $23 and you won't need to renew your subscription or whatever. So if you're an artist that don't like renewing subscription, or you don't like a subscription based website, Vibmel is also the best music distribution platform you should check out. So basically you can only pay one time fee, but basically they are going to be keeping 10% of your royalties. You're an artist that you can actually like cope with getting 90% of your royalty, then you can always check out Vibmel. But if you don't like them cutting your royalty, you can always go with their subscription plan where you get to keep 100% of your royalty. So if you want to learn more about Vibmel, so I'm going to advise you click on the video popping right here on your screen, so to go check out more about Vibmel. And also, if you're someone who is interested in music promotion, you want to get your song on editorial playlisting, audio mark trending, and any form of music promotion generally, you can also hit me up. I'm going to be putting my WhatsApp number in the video description. And also, if you want me to create any video about any issue you're having, you can always drop your comments in the comment section, and I'm going to go through them, then probably help you create the video. If you want to learn more about Vibmel, just click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.